so much for being here today. If I talk a lot, I'm going to start crying. So, all I want to say is that this is the story of India that every daughter should read. Every father should read to encourage their daughter to come and work. This is a father that has faith in his children and made them come and work today. And today I'm really proud to say that these women out here actually take care and heal so many people in India. Every father must see pride in their daughters and encourage them like my grandfather did for his 4 daughters. And all you other girls out there, you better work for healthcare because we are passionate about the business we are in and we know how to heal people in India and across the world. Thank you. This is not the story of just my grandfather, but this is a story of a man who had faith in his daughters. I want every father to read this book and to have faith in their daughters to perform. Today, these 4 ladies have done so much. They've balanced their personal life as well as their work life. And I think that that is something really great. We women can work, we can be leaders of our industry, and also manage a family. I want every child to read this book to be inspired by it. This is a very emotional day for me today. It's about celebrating my grandfather's birthday and also celebrating young girls becoming entrepreneurs and leading industries. I think it's a very important day. It's a very important book and a message that's going on. Thank you. Dr. Reddy has 4 daughters. Yes, all 4 were here today, and it's really nice. And he has 3 granddaughters as well, and I don't know how many great granddaughters. My baby is very good, but she's not allowed to be photographed.
மேடம் அவங்களோட பயோகிராஃபியை ஃபிலிமாக வந்து பதிவு பண்ண மாதிரி ஐடியா இருக்கா? ஃபிலிமாக வந்து பண்ணுறீங்களா?
Absolutely. We are looking for the right people because the story has to be told so powerfully. So it's definitely going to happen in future.
உங்கள் கிராண்ட் பாவா வந்து உங்கள் ஹஸ்பண்ட் ராம் சரண் நடிப்பாரா இந்த கெட்டப்பில்?
I think that depends on the director.
I think at the outset, we are very, very happy to have all of you at one go. And on behalf of founders, Dr. Reddy and Vasna, I'd like to welcome and also thank you. Thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, and thank you for being with us today.
First, I must appreciate all your presence today on this important day. Not for Dr. Reddy, it is for the Indian healthcare. Today we are proud that Indian healthcare today is equal to the best healthcare available anywhere in the world. I have suggested our Prime Minister to call it India as the healthcare destination of the world. He added one more word because 750 BC, Susilta diagnosed, and so it's called Heal in India. And if I have done this 40 years ago or 45 years ago, because I lost a young man who couldn't afford to go abroad for his surgery, because that was not available in India. I'm happy that today it's not just Apollo. Apollo has 74 hospitals, but there are another 300 good hospitals in the country, which the country is proud. This is what makes people strong. Our aim is touch the lives of people at the last mile. So this is where we are now using telemedicine to connect people, not just in India. We are going to use it for all over the world. So India will have that prominent Indian doctors, Indian nurses, Indian scientists, and the managers are second to none. And we are going to project India will become in the next few years. Already we have in every single discipline, our outcomes are better than the best centers in the world. God bless all of you.